What is going on, guys? It's Jean, and thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel. Everyone is looking at me vlogging, but today I've been invited for a menu tasting at Botanica. It will be my first time here, so let's go. If you're new, please subscribe. This is my outfit with my fur coat. I'll show you guys better when I read. Where? And there's a cutie, you always look cute. Oh, and the orange! That orange! Though you guys can't see the orange nicely because of the sun. But yeah,
which is color grade.
Miss Izo Sijui. Color grading, I only know.
Third and writing, subscribe and pay bill. That's
I only know how to color grade on my phone.
I don't know how to color grade anywhere.
No, I don't know how to color grade here. So yeah.
Anyway, we are cute and we are vlogging. Hopefully she edits by 2023 August.
Hopefully.
Latest.
If not, happy birthday. That's what I'm trying to say, honestly and
2023.
truly. Hey, but naka vizuri bwana.
Naka wa cute.
Hey ladies.
Are we supposed to look straight for the camera?
Whatever you want to do.
No.
Sandy, which one did you say you got?
I forgot. Raspberry something. From page 2.
Raspberry refresher. Not me asking whether all the cocktails are gin based.
I literally told you
this is a gin bar.
I
no, I
literally
did.
told you.
It's written here. I didn't know it was written here. Oh, naka ku make up to vitu. Sandy, that's yours?
Yes.
I'll taste it and know. I know you've not yet taken a photo. Let me see her drink. Guys, I'll taste it and turn the straw around. She'll never know. I'll take the same. Sandy, I'm so sorry. I'll take the same one. She'll never know. How will she know? She'll never know.
Hey.
Cutie.
I can't try it. Get up. Thanks.
Starters, chicken satay skewers. Guys, my main is here and it's a smash burger that will be smashed when preparing and not you having to smash it. So that I have enough space, I'm going to have half and then half. Guys, not one of the desserts being called not a carrot cake, while it is a whole carrot cake. The iron.
Copyright strike. I didn't get to know. Hey!
Guys, meet Vishal. You remember him from Blue? You're a host today, aren't you?
Yes, I was.
He's always our host. This is the my place. Thank you. This is not a carrot that's actually a carrot. You know, I'm saying this is not that one. So this is, where is this? A latte sundae. Let us dig in. How's your not a carrot cake? That's a carrot cake.
I love it.
Oh yeah?
It's amazing.
Strong as hell. The center gets nice. The center of it is more calm. This has ice cream as well.
The sorbet.
A lot is going on in my mouth. I'm not mad though. Girl, not that. It's not a carrot. Not too sure about the cheese though.
It's cream cheese. Yeah. I like it.
I like. Now you can see the orange. Oh, that one's mine. Oh, Nabaki. Good night. Hi, please. Guys, I have not picked this camera in so long that I feel so weird. But I thought I'd just do this unboxing and it will be a part of any future vlog. So if you've been here for a while, you know how much I live by and stand by and love November, especially Black November and especially Carrefour's deals. So this year I've actually been quite disciplined because there's not much left that I need to buy for my place, but I have been influencing people. I influenced my sister to get, like, whenever there's the deal, I see it and I share it with them. My sister got a certain freezer that she's wanted a freezer forever. So Carrefour, run me my coins. So anyway, today I was minding my business. I have a trip tomorrow to Eldoret for Shin City. So I went to the supermarket to buy snacks. Turns out everything was on 20% off, like all, should I call electronics? Yeah, electronics except phones. So guess what this is? From the corner of my eye, I caught 2 soundbars and I was like, oh, a soundbar's on sale. And the guy was like, yeah. So I copped me a Sony soundbar. I don't know how we will do this. Let me try and see if I can turn it so I can show it to you guys. Let me turn my stand and then like do that. Yeah. So I got a Sony soundbar. I don't know much about speakers, but I know that Sony is one of the brands that have good quality, and it was on 20% off. So I thought, what better day to get it than today? So yeah, unbox with me. This is actually not supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be like this, if I'm not wrong. So let me see if that'll work, and then we can unbox it. I think I'll need to put you guys a bit further back so you can see me. Oh guys, let me get a Caesar. Caesars, bam 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 bam. So when I tell you guys that the line at Carrefour today was crazy long, like I was there the whole time squatting because a girl was tired. So I don't know, when it's like this we can't see it fully, but I think that's still fine, right? That's what the bottom looks like. Let me just put it up so you guys can see my face, and then we do the thing, right? Because I want to test this now. If you're my neighbor, prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me. I'm so sorry in advance. Sandy and I, Sandy is my friend in case you're new here, have said we'll try to be better with YouTube, so I'm just going to be recording, like whatever I can record, I'm recording. So I hope I'm recording right now. Am I? Let me confirm. Yup, we're recording. So it's a soundbar and a hoofer. Is it usually hoofer or oofer? Immense surround sound. Oh, and one thing that I really liked is that the soundbar and the hoofer. Is it hoofer usually? Soundbar. Okay, it's only being referred to as hoofer, as soundbar. They connect to each other wirelessly, so I don't have to have wires. I don't have a TV stand because I didn't get one to save space, so I like that these two will be able to connect to each other wirelessly because I like a very clean house, so I don't want wires everywhere. The other ones were connecting with each other via wires, so that was one selling point that this one had. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. Furnishing is such a non-ending process. Like, I've moved out and lived alone for almost 2 years now, and I'm just still furnishing. Well, unless you're balling, then you're able to just buy everything at once. But me, I will always wait for a sale. Oh, there's a part here that inasumbua. And I take all my boxes to my sister's house. She's usually kind enough to keep all of them for me because she has plenty of storage and I do not. This is so tight. Man. Oh. No, it's not going to suffer. Why is this thing so tight? Oh, my ear. My ear. Do you guys usually unbox your things properly or you just tear them out? I unbox all my things well because I unbox with the mindset of one day I might want to move. Oh my god. Not talking a lot and then tearing it and pouring my coffee. Wow. I thought maybe it might be easier. Wow. I thought it might be easier if I put it this way. Okay, but it's torn just a small part. Yeah, definitely easier this way. So let's put the box out. Hey, it's heavy. I actually had to ask our guard to help me bring it up. Ooh, let me show them. If I could, I would buy just a soundbar alone, but the sound wouldn't be as nice. Guys, at this point I'm just going to push it so that it comes out. I'm struggling. It's quite okay. It's not that heavy now that it's out. Whew. If you've been here for long, then you know that I absolutely love music. I actually started with dance videos on here. Okay. Dun, ta-da-dun, ta-dun. Oh, there we go. Oh, guys, I'm panting. This is nice. So, this is the speaker it comes with. Oh. And then it has the sound bar. This is longer than I thought. Is this longer than my TV? Okay, no, it's not longer than my TV. because then that would have looked a little off. Oh man, I wish I asked whether this can be mounted, because I really like things to be mounted. I feel like it looks so clean and leaves more space on the ground. I don't know whether this can be mounted. I think it can. Guys, what wate kuko nje from seeing this, or all of these things at the back. Can this be mounted? I hope it can. That would look really, really cute and sleek. And also the speaker is really cute and sleek. It's a Sony. As I said, I don't know much. Oh, back to my head. Oh, as I said, I don't know much about speakers, but this is a Sony S400, as the box says. Exactly how it's saying the thing shouldn't be carried is probably how we carried it, but we moved. That's what it says, in case you're people who want to know more. I just tested it. We were there playing bangers at the supermarket to test it, and I was like, it's pretty good. So let us put it to the test. So I had never intended to buy a hoofer because there was nowhere for it here. So I think I'll use my second table that I've placed over there in the corner to house it. We'll just put this like this temporarily. This is a temporary situation. Because if this is mounted, it will come here. I think that will be cute. Can it be mounted here on the soil? No, this can definitely be mounted. See, these are the mount things. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Yeah, this can be mounted. So, I'm panting, guys. It came with these. And batteries. And now what here needs a battery? Ama kuna remote. Ama kuna remote. Oh, there is a remote. So cute. Okay. Let's bring the extension. Oh my god, I forgot that the light is connected there. Oops, sorry guys. I forgot that the light was connected there. So first of all, I'll have to get an extension with more inlets, because this one has 3. Na zishaja. Okay, when I remove the ring light, it'll be fine. So I think we'll have to test them one by one, though I'm sure it really slaps when it's the both of them. Bob the Builder. My sister usually says I'm such a handy girl, because I usually do everything. We got that for that one. This is a short plug, problem number 1. Let me see if I can figure out the wiring, then I'll be right back. Guys, I'm just realizing they've put 2 different types of plugs, depending on, I guess, where you live or what kind of sockets you have. So that's so cool. So they've put the 2 plug and 3 plug. So I'll start with the 3 plug ones, and I'll just save this for the future in case these ones ever die out. Can use these ones. I can always add an extension. That's so cool. And oh, I forgot how tiring YouTube is. Before I forget, he said that I'll also be gifted Sony earphones. So I thought that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Any gift that you get when you buy something, even if you paid for it, I feel like, oh, because the amount is probably calculated in the amount of this, and then they give it as a gift. But I'm just like, that's so exciting. I love gifts. Also, when I'm filming this, guys, it's exactly 10 days to my birthday. So I'll put my till number on the screen. Do with that info what you must, what you'd like to, what you will. So we'll test them one by one, as I said. If you remember this TV from Black November, now 2 years ago, serving me well. So let's see. Let's put YouTube and music. I am so hungry. Okay. Leo nimekunywa tu chai, so nasikia njaa. Kwani what's happening? Even this one needs batteries. Guys, since I bought this TV, I've never bought batteries, so it probably does need batteries. It's been 2 years. So yeah. Okay, it's saying connected. Let's see. Oh, I'm so excited. It's breaking. The difference light makes. Guys, so we're having a small technical difficulty. So I'll connect it with the phone instead. So let's get a song and see. Let's get a song and see. Me in the dark, because I only have 3. Oh, but I can remove the TV one since we're using this, right? I don't know why I put you guys through this. I'm so sorry. So this is my phone alone. I'm okay. Can't seem to take my eyes. Let me add the volume just a bit because it's night time and I have neighbors, so that we test it and then we turn it off. Okay. Oh no. Not me forgetting there's something like copyright. Oh my god. But from that little part, okay. It's buzzing. Yeah, that's it from me, guys. I'm literally so hungry. I have to go, but so far I'm happy with the speaker. I don't know why it's not connecting clearly with the TV. I'll try and I'll keep you guys posted. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Mwah. See you later, guys. Bye. Party people.
What's up?
Guys, I've not vlogged for such a long time. I'm actually horrible at it, but we are about to leave and we'll see you in Eldoret. This is actually such a short trip, literally one day. We're leaving today just for Shin City, and then we are going to be back tomorrow evening. So yeah, see you when we get there.
Given us 40 minutes at a cruise level of 32,000 feet above the mean sea level.
Touchdown.
Welcome to Eldoret. We have landed at Eldoret International Airport. For safety and comfort, please remain seated until this aircraft comes to complete stop.
Touchdown. Karasim.
Eldoret, here we go.
Here we are.
Oh, here we are.
Yeah. First in line.
Yeah.
Namba yako ndio hapa. Let's see. Which one did I carry today? Oh, mine's black. Yeah.
I said it must be pink today.
Oh, your pink one was so cute last time. Hata mimi napenda pink. Where are my knees? What's that written there? Have you been to Florida? We're going on a trip. Pick the favorite location.
Zenda like northeastern. Zenda Malodwa Manini.
Yes, please.
That's the lowest thing.
tumekuweza pia.
Super small. Square. Just tunaweza kama tupangeize huko.
Let's put up a tumeibiwa. Haya utasafishwa. Ala ngoja ifike.
Pull up in the school. Guys, we've arrived and the place looks so beautiful. Such a beautiful place. You already know my favorite area. And there's such a pretty painting here. And there's a side here outside sitting as well. Guys, so I don't know whether I said it already, but if I hadn't, it's my first time in Eldoret and it's giving me Kisumu vibes, like na feel nika niko Kisumu. So far so good. We are at Acre Hotel and let's get into the room tour. This place is so beautiful. Wow. So nice. But the light is a bit low. This time I left my ring light, guys. I usually have to carry a whole suitcase when I carry it. The grand reveal. Oh wow, this is nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very nice.
So you will be placing your key. Card here for
Once it's working, right?
For now it can still work for the lights, huh?
Ah, okay.
Just so that you can access the lights.
Okay, thank you. Guys. Yeah, they say bye-bye, oh. Bye-bye, oh. Carissima. Carissima. Let me turn the lights on and then I give you guys a tour. Since today we have no lights, lazima nitegemee natural light, so yeah. So when you walk in, high reflection, the first thing is this beautiful bathroom. Ooh. Very nice, very nice. And a gigantic shower. And a cutie. And then here we have the wardrobe, place for placing your suitcase, tea station, some water, and then this is the room. Let me come and catch it from this other side because light. So yeah. Oh, was that me? There's a side table there and a seat situation. That is an overview. Definitely blue looks like it's their theme. So, yes sir. A painting there and a TV that's urging us to watch World Cup. So yeah. Oh no, there's one more thing. And we have a study. Is that me? So we have, hi! We have come for lunch. Oh, it looks so nice. One it? You guys have ordered anything?
Yeah. Doing fish.
Pardon?
Fish.
You're having fish. What are you having? Hey, ninatua samaki. What looks nice.
I have that too.
This for me? Thank you.
Yes.
You guys
I'm seeing something here called 7 Old White Steak. Marinated steak, grilled, served with sauteed spinach, paprika, potato wedges, and mild pepper. That, that sounds nice. And there's also beef tenderloin, grilled beef tenderloin. Nilijichocha and I had a sandwich in the plate. Let's just say I'm not feeling the best. Like imenichapwa roho. You know that feeling when you have something now? That's how I'm feeling. Not as Maliza. Moving to a larger table. Yeah, I think I'll have beef and then for dinner prawns. Not me about to salivate into the menu. Mawaru. Umeitwa babes. Imagine I don't have a name, but my friend... You have a name for your friend? I don't, but my friend Sandy calls her people Sandy Gang, so I feel like copying her and being Genie Gang. Genie Gang inaweza? Also, I feel like my girl is Jean Gang. Because I feel like Jean Gang is just but Genie Gang. Chinese name. Yeah. Yeah.
We don't even have black Genie magic. Like
yeah. Oh, yeah. Guys.
Hey, creativity.
I'm a magician. I'm a magician. My magician. We'll figure something out. But definitely I'll have prawns for you. My food is here and it looks really nice. But the portion though, in comparison to other meals, Peter has a whole fish. Nobody else's food is here for you guys to see, but it looks nice. It looks nice. So I'll have and give you guys feedback, but the food is taking me long. Marina has finished her whole meal. Madam,
God's favorite.
It was so nice.
Yeah, it was nice. 1 more hour. It's 1 hour simop sana.
Tumengoja. But let me dig in before it gets cold. It does look nice though.
It's nice.
Lakini ni kidogo. That's
all.
Million 200 grams. Kumbe, you should start knowing portioning. Yeah, I saw everyone else's portions and I was like, but let me try it. I hope it's gonna bust. Imagine Chase salimia watu wangu. Guys, have you met Chase? Such an amazing photographer, ex-videographer.
She never uses the camera.
I pulled my camera out and he's pointed out, "Ai, kwani hii camera inakuanga wapi unatumianga tu phone?" Imagine wasi baby, but this time nilisema nita try. Umeona nikivlog? Yeah, today I'll try. Go on YouTube, imagine.
Subscribe.
Over 25, subscribe. Ooh, upstairs. Looking nice. With a city view. This other side leads to the pool. Guys, this hotel is actually really pretty. And I have 1 hour to shower and change because we're going early to create some content. Chase has promised me lit content. How cute is this? What a wow. So this, oh wow, this is nice. This is nice. All this right here is you. Wow. This one has a prettier view. Done taking a tour of the hotel, done with lunch. So the next time that you guys see me, I should be looking like a whole cutie. 10/10 minus nothing. That's what I should be looking like. I leave it open. I close it. So I'll see you later. Bye. Are you ready?
You're ready.
Are you all ready?
Yes, I have not finished my makeup, so I'm praying that I'll find somewhere to do that.
Let me take a night, I love real easy. And I know that you still wanna see me. On the Sunday morning, music real loud. Let me love you while the moon is still out. Something in you lit up heaven in me. The feeling won't let me sleep. Cause I'm lost in the way you move, the way you feel. One kiss is all it takes. Fall in love with me. Possibilities, I look like all you
You always wearing my glasses. You don't wanna let no sucker look you in your eyes, huh? Better show them eyelashes. You love what you do with a passion. Do this shit a track. I fuck with you, girl.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat. Just tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me. So let me know what it's gon' be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. While we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black. See the crème brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. Up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got fire, all so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. All cold night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, yeah, baby, when we gon' slide, slide.
Good morning, please. Guys, it's the next day. When I tell you that yesterday was a movie. Hey, was yesterday a movie?
Drama. Oh my god.
Guys, Shin City was a production. Nasikia Mugithi hapa in the background. I hope itanipea copyright. Mute your ngoma. Unajua hizi manini za YouTube ni kidogo yenyewe ukiongeza na copyright. Guys, yesterday was amazing. The show was a production. Because I remember at the beginning, my boss was asking me, have you seen Shin City before? And I was like, no, guy, I've not vlogged for so long that you guys don't know. I don't know whether I've said it in this video. Guys, I'm a Johnny Walker influencer. Imagine that. I'm a Johnny Walker influencer, guys. I'm realizing maybe I've not told you. That's why I've been going to Johnny Walker events. That's if you are on my Insta. So yesterday at the beginning, my boss asked me, have you been to Shin City before? Kulikuwa na Shin City ilikuwa last year, sindio? Ilikuwa this year? Yo, Shin City ingine ilikuwa this year?
This year, June.
Are you serious?
June na mimi.
Are you serious? Guys, so there was the other Shin City before, but I didn't make it because I was working at your favorite place. So I was like, no, I've not been to Shin City, but I've watched him twice. She was like, it's not the same. I was like, I guess. When I tell you it was not the same, oh my goodness, guys, it was like 3 hours. Warira ilifika point amechoka. The man performed. It was a performance. I'm only going to put a sneak peek here because editing concerts is too hard. I have to put every scene under 10 seconds so that I don't get copyright. That will be too hard. But by the time you're watching this, it will be highlighted on my Instagram. Just a highlight called Shin City, so make sure you go check that out. And guys, tulipata reunion ya Kleptomaniacs. Tulipata reunion ya Kleptomaniacs and it was amazing. Amazing. Kwanza vile roba ile dangari yake. It was fun. And the dancers kina Chilu. Oh my god. Like me, I was just in awe.
That was like a
Let me hold it here. I was just in awe the whole time. Like either it was a performance.
Then we stood there like from 10:30 till like 2
alafu tukaongeza na kukatika. Alafu it was just a show. Kidogo sijui a jacket is coming flying. Mbona hii jacket ina fly? Why is the jacket flying? My mouth was just like this the whole time. Yani
confetti.
Kidogo confetti. We got confetti and it was not at the end of the show. Tulipata confetti na show ikaendelea.
Kabisa, like
we don't deserve this man. We don't deserve this man. Ati confetti alafu unaendelea. Hey. And it makes so much sense when he asks tuendelea ama tusiendelee because he's the king of that. Guys, that is one of my favorite concerts that I've been to. Warira, rating yako?
This was like a 9 out of 10. Like it's like pengine Burna Boy kama top, but
guys, one man show and then he brought and people. He killed it. And then this time, I think last time aliba like 2 yeye kabisa, si ndio? Watu walimjoin. Jana bado watu walimjoin. Femi alikamsaya song ya Femi, Chris alikamsaya yake, na of course Kleptomaniac. Oh my god, guys. It was amazing. Uongo. Oh, by the way, sikusikia hata short and sweet. Nilikuwa nangoja tu aje akuje tufunge hiyo show. Funga hii show. But the man performed. By the time alisema thank you, we said thank you. Wewe ndo tunakupigia asante. The man performed.
It was worth it.
Guys, it was worth it. That was a show.
It's the last one, yeah?
Acha. Tupo. So yeah, once again, please go check it out on my highlights. I won't be able to put it here because of copyright. And I hope you guys enjoy. So this was a one-day trip. This is my shortest trip I've ever taken. Yeah, short and sweet. This trip was short and sweet. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you've missed me because I've definitely missed you guys. So in case I don't see twice of you two. Video party. So in case you guys don't see me at the end, thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. If you liked it, what did I know how to sign out of YouTube?
What? How do you sign out?
I'm new to YouTube.
I'm new to YouTube.
What will Semanganini at the end of their videos?
Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next channel.
And what should they do?
Next video, subscribe, like, and what?
Starts with a C.
And comment.
Ooh, yes, girl.
And turn on the notification bell
so that you get notified each time I post, guys. And always remember to be you and stay true. And I will see you on the next video. I'm going to try my best to post more frequently. I promise, Sandy.
Bye.
Bye. See you guys back in Nairobi.